So you see like little air bubbles forming. That's what's going to get into those little crevices and stuff from all your jewelry pieces, and it's going to kind of release all the extra stuff that might be hard to get to. So I was originally going to try to find something from the thrift store, but my wife has these pieces of jewelry, and these are pretty tarnished up. So my goal is to see how good they look afterwards. So this is what you end up with. You get one charger, you get the main unit right here with 2 buttons. This thing to keep your jewelry or retainers from directly touching the bottom. The lid, which opens up so you can slide things like toothbrushes in there. The front's easily marked so you know which orientation it will be. Let's try it out. I'm going to use the reverse osmosis water for this one because if I cook with it, why wouldn't I clean with it? Put these dirty rings right there in that little slot. I guess that one will have to sit on the tray. And then this necklace just kind of sitting on there. Close up the lid. Make sure that we turn on the UV lights. And let's start it for the highest time frame of 600 seconds. I want to make sure this has a good amount of time to take care of it. So before we get into the results of how the jewelry turned out, I just want to say that I tested this product on a lot of different things. My buddy had his retainers. We tried them on that. We tried it on a couple toothbrushes. And I just wanted to see exactly how it was going to work. Some of them were more challenging than others because in the example of my buddy's retainer, he had a little bit of tartar built up on there. And what you're going to see is that it starts off being minimal already, but it gets definitively better, but it's not like a cure-all. So if you have a built-up tartar or something on your dentures or retainers, whatever, then it's going to take a second before it cleans them fully off. It's more to be used like a routine thing because the ultrasonic is going to kind of push up the bubbles or make up like little bubbles so that it kind of clears the surfaces, and that UV light is more for sanitization. And the big reveal, let's find out. Oh, the water is definitely warmer. Oh, okay. Let's dry them off and take a peek. Okay, guys, I think this should speak for itself. I did absolutely nothing except for putting it in there with plain water. Nothing special for a cleaning solution. And this is what we got. This ring, I think, had a little actual tarnish, so it's not quite as shiny as it could be. But that diamond used to be, not diamond, but this little gem used to be a lot more cloudy. Curious to see how this will turn out multiple runs, but it definitely got rid of some of that deep-seated dirt. So, yeah, I think the results speak for themselves. This is a pretty cool little device. This specifically is used to clean a whole variety of different things. It has a UV light inside of there, and this uses ultrasonic to clean your retainers, paintbrushes, literally anything that little vibrations would be able to clear out there, or maybe tiring to do manually. So this is a just plug and play unit pretty much. It's got 3 different settings, 5 minutes, 8 minutes, and 10 minutes for the cycle times. I'll open up the lid here and push the UV. So that is going to get rid of the bacteria in there. And I'm going to show you how this thing works in a little bit, but this right here is just to make sure that you keep your retainers and items a little bit elevated. Turn that off right there. It's pretty hard to mess up the orientation. You got that bottom part, and it even says front on there. Just plop it on there, you get started right away. You see it counts down per seconds, and it feels longer than just if it says minutes.